Hello everyone. Today we'll be seeing how you can clear your Chrome cache on Android. Why would you want to do that? Well, when you've been using your browser for a while, a lot of cache gathers up, which can end up slowing your browsing experience or even your phone. So that's why you should clean it every once in a while so that your browser and your phone stays fast. So you can go ahead and open Chrome. So you can click the three dots on the top right and then scroll down and go into settings. What you will find here is that there is no actual option to clear your Chrome cache. So you cannot actually do it from the app, but you have another way to do it. So let's back out from Chrome. Now, if you tap and hold the icon, this menu should pop up, and then you have to click App Info. As you can see, there's an option called Storage and Cache. You have to go ahead and open that. And here you have two options, Clear Storage and Clear Cache. Now, if you click Clear Cache, it will clear your unimportant data that you don't actually need. But if you click Clear Storage, then it will clear all of your personal information, such as your account information and logins. So you will have to log in everything again. So let's go ahead and clear cache, and that's how you clear cache from Chrome on Android. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.